Alright. Hello. That sounds pretty good, level-wise. I just tried out this new Adobe podcast mic level checker before I got on. And it seems pretty accurate. Just wonder, is the music too quiet now? I can't tell. I guess not. We'll see. We'll see when the re-recording happens. Let me get out. Stream in my ear. All right. Oh, here's something new. YouTube says the bitrate 2659 is lower than recommended. Interesting. Whoa. They recommend 6800. I was trying 6000 kbps and I don't know, man. It was really lagging. I should look at it on a computer just to see what it looks like. I should have looked in the mirror first. It's starting to get humid here, guys. You're gonna be seeing, I don't know. The stream looks pretty good. I mean, I'm looking at it full screen right now. It's, you know, it's not 4K, but it's not lagging and freezing like it has in the past, so I think I'm okay with this. Let's check Twitch. I know, I'm gonna do this every stream, I know. It looks exactly the same. Well, that's good to know. Twitch and YouTube pretty much have the same quality. Okay, cool. I feel good today. Sorry for missing the stream yesterday. I just needed some sleep. I do this at, you know, I start between 10 and 11, stream for a couple hours, you know, sometimes a little more if I'm really into the code. So, you know, that's the only time I have away from kids running around and dogs running around. But, yeah. Let me close everything unnecessary. That way we can focus all our computing power on Orbem Explorer. If you didn't catch my interview with the Ryan Wood Show, check it out. It's on his YouTube. The video's on his YouTube. And the audio. I've got better audio on my stream broadcast, my past broadcast, because I was streaming at the same time. But this is before I messed with the bit rate and it was the encoding power and stuff like that, and it was just frozen the whole time. Frozen on a really good quality picture, but frozen nonetheless. So yeah, audio's good if you want to just listen to it, you know. But videos on at the Ryan Wood Show on YouTube. So and you can get there from theryanwoodshow.com, which I created another WordPress site. Talked about it before. Pretty simple theme, child theme of 2024. Might as well jump into the screen. What? I don't know why I moved myself over on this one. Hold on. Let's go a little more. Let's move me to full size. That's better, huh? Cool. More me. So yeah, I'm talking about this. You see the newest episodes up here. You can watch it right on his channel if you want.
Welcome to the show. I am the Ryan Wood. You're watching the Ryan Wood Show. And this guy right here, this is one of my best buddies growing up. His name is Mr. Scott Adrian. He's on our show today to talk about a few things, including his new sci-fi novel. This guy actually wrote a book.
Yeah, we talked a lot about Orbem, the novel, which was great, and it was all very exciting. And while we're at it, why don't we do a couple posts, let the people know that we are on live. We'll do my normal Instagram picture. How do I do this properly? That's better. Alright. And we'll do our post. Yeah, we might as well post it on Facebook too. Twitch.tv. Order. 1 second. Instagram, Facebook. Why don't we post to Discord? By the way, we have a Discord. Great place to talk about writing, music, game development, anything. And yeah, for those of you who do not know, the Orbem Order is kind of a plot point in the story of Orbem. It's an ancient council comprised of representatives of all the species, all the, you know, conscious species, intelligent species. Like not every bug and fish and stuff like that, but they, you know, not to give too much away, but they're referenced multiple times in the book, and I like the idea of the order, you know, like join the order, you know, having a community of people in the Orbem Order. So that's why I started calling everything Orbem Order. Also because Orbem.com was taken by a AI-based farming company, specifically egg company. I mean, if you ever search Orbem, you'll find it pretty easily, but they developed an AI program that can detect like mortality in eggs, or like fertility in eggs, probably both, but I think their technology makes it so you can like give up on the dead eggs sooner or something like that. So it makes it, I don't know. I won't pretend to know much about the egging community, but legit company. They're fairly new, I want to say. I mean, fairly new when I was coming up with the domain name, unfortunately. So, yeah, I'm sure there's some overlap there that they have noticed my online presence mixed with theirs, considering how different our industries are. Yeah, but yeah, so that's why I went with Orbem Order, and I didn't just go with Orbem. I mean, in case Orbem AI, these dudes, Orbem. Yeah, it's German based AI imaging, object scanning, but yeah, ovosexing. Oh, that too. Yeah, they can detect like boy versus girl eggs, which is super cool, man. But super pisses me off because they have, you know, the Orbem LinkedIn, and they have, you know, if you just search Orbem, I'm pretty sure they're up. Yeah, see, they're the top when you search Orbem, which is a bummer. Let's see, do I come up when you search Orbem on the first page? Yes. So I am on the first page, but they have a YouTube channel too, which is, you know, and they have their Twitter. I mean, they took all the domains for Orbem, and then they have a buttload of news articles and stuff about their technology, so they pretty much own, yeah, Instagram. Like, come on. But my book's on the front page, so is my website, and what more can you ask for? Yeah, I got a couple. I was just wondering if I had new videos. Oh, my audiobook's here on Audible. Which, I've been getting little comments here and there about, you know, oh, hey, when are you gonna be on Audible or get an audio version? And I already do. I got the paperback. I mean, the paperback and the ebook were launched at the same time. I thought I needed to launch with both. Apparently, that's not really common. And then I immediately was having the audiobook recording when I was doing the launch, so that came out pretty much at the same time too, which is also not very common. Apparently, people just release the ebook for a while, and then while they work on the other pieces, which I'm going to be doing for the second book. Myropilia is going to probably, it might have actually the paper book ready. I think I won't have all the graphics and stuff I want ready yet. I really should though, because I'm typesetting it myself right now, like I did for Orbem, and it's not done being edited by any means, so I mean I'm definitely going to have to change a bunch of stuff, but I wanted to get the general chapter structure ready, get the title pages, get all the, you know, ISBN number in there, and the messaging. Still need to do a back cover. You know, I need to get the blurb for the back cover and stuff like that. Anyways. Yeah. Orbem Explore. While we're here. Yeah, I'm excited to put some more work into this. I think where we left off, I was working on the menu. And we just got the menu working. Like adding items that you run into it. So that's good. Did I turn YouTube off? Let's go back to the chat. Okay, I just want to leave the chat open. Just in case. And yeah, we got some shorts out, and they've been doing pretty well. There's definitely some subscribers, or at least people that are keeping track of my shorts, that are automatically disliking them right away. Because I have like 1 or 2 dislikes, even on the like normal shorts that aren't saying anything that could be perceived as negative. You know, like the WordPress programming job one. Like, there's no reason to dislike that video. Oh, and I did notice something really interesting. Let's go to the YouTube real quick. I don't think it's gonna destroy my stream. Check this out. This was interesting, and I think it's dubious, possibly dubious. So if you go to my content, you go to my shorts, check out the view counts. So this one was the controversial. I mean, I got 7 dislikes, 4 likes, right? So mostly dislikes, because people don't like my take on internet privacy, which is, you know, whatever. You know, just browse safely, right? And Unicode also got a dislike. I'm thinking, again, this is probably just people that are trying to dislike every video at least once. That's why I have, like, this has 1 dislike. Like, well, how are you disliking something about WordPress jobs? I don't know. And this one, always document your code, 2 dislikes. Who's mad about documenting your code? I think it's funny. But check this out. Facebook is listening. 7 views. I find that really interesting. Let's see the analytics on impressions. I don't know if I can see impressions. Reach. Shown in feed, 90. You see that? It was shown in the feed 90 times. Now let's go to one of my other more performant shorts, like WordPress programming. This did really well. Got a bunch of likes. Super positive. Okay, and I'll see the reach. Did you see that? Went from 90 impressions to 1.4, you know, almost 1,500 impressions. I don't know. Could Facebook is listening? Could that be like automatically seen as a conspiracy, like hurting the reputation of Facebook? I mean, I've got 14 whole subscribers. You know what I mean? So they better keep my voice down. I don't know. I think it's interesting. It could be nothing. You know what I mean? I mean, nobody disliked it because nobody saw it. So I got 7 views. You know what I mean? So, and probably half of those are me. So it's like really, really interesting. Just because all the other ones are performing, you know, relatively okay. You know, this always talking to me code. This is the one that came out today, and already did pretty well. Got some, again, 2 dislikes. Document your code, guys. No way. Not me, buddy. ChatGPT documents my code. Alright. Back to work. We are... I think the main thing I want to accomplish today is I want the items to get stored in the database, and I want to be able to click and show the description. If we could get that done in the next 2 hours, I'll be super stoked. So, what's that going to take? Right now we have the front end version working fine. So we're going to need to create another REST endpoint that triggers when you save it to your menu. It's going to have to add it to the array. I already have the array and everything. Not explore settings. This one. Explore storage. So I already have this user meta ready to be pulled out. And here's the empty stuff, and it can be saved like this. So I just need to, let's just do it. Let's see it work first. New game. Are you sure you want to start a new game? All your previous saved data will be lost. Yeah, dude. Don't tell me what to do. Alright. Cord. Stay. Okay. So we got this. Cool. Let's make sure this is open so I can see it, because right now I don't have any icons. Here's our storage menu, and let's see what it does. Ta-da! Help save. Now, as we just saw there, it's automatically giving me health when I land on it. I'll have to do something about that. Nothing. I feel like this would be much more of an interactive, robust experience if you didn't just collect lives as you walked around, right? Or health. If it was like an item you could collect. Because the worst thing in games to me is when like you're kicking ass and there's a bunch of health around you and you can't collect it to save for later, you know what I mean? Because you already have full health. So I want to allow health to be collected, you know, even if you have full health, but not automatically applied. So in that case, do we want to develop logic that allows you to collect health until it's full? Like, what's the benefit of collecting health and not using it right away when you need it? I'm trying to think, like, is that cool? So this is where I really wish I had people in the chat able to think with me, because it's all you know, it's all my opinion right now. It could be a shitty experience. I think I just saw Mr. Weaver join, but he could be lurking. Alright, what do we want to do? Because I already have the logic there. It collects, it adds health. So do I add a condition if health is at 100%? Collect the health as an item. Is that cool? Is that unnecessary? Should I just leave it the way it is and not make health an item at all? I don't know, man. I think I do like the idea of collecting health, and it applies to health when you need it. But if you are at 100, it doesn't, and it just adds an item for you to use it later. That way, when you're in a boss fight, I can just drop health sometimes. You know what I mean? And you could like, oh, just run. You don't have to go to your menu and select it and apply it. But it's best of both worlds. You also get to collect it if you don't need it right now, and save it for next time. And we'll probably have a cap on how much you can add, obviously. Because my problem is, I only have 4 slots, and I don't want all 4 of them to end up being health. So I'm thinking if you have duplicate items, it should just count to the same slot. This is all a lot of logic. One second, I'm gonna let the dogs out. So I've got a really old dog. He's 15. He's going on 16 this year. He's a Chihuahua Yorkie mix. And dude has Alzheimer's. Doggy dementia. I don't know what it is, but you know, he wants to go out every 5 seconds. He doesn't know what he's doing. He doesn't know where the door is half the time. He's not blind. He's deaf for sure. He has major hearing problems. But I just stand there sometimes. You know, just look around. And be like, hey man, what's going on? What do you want? I thought he wanted to go outside. I hear him slowly walking around the house right now. But you know, it's just really hard to do what he wants sometimes. And he's one of those dogs that growls when he's happy. Like if you're like petting him, he's like growling at you. I think he's always done that. He's also the only dog that'll bite you, but I feel like those two things are not related. Okay. I've decided to do what I want to do, and that is going to be collect if you need it. No, use if you need it, collect if you don't. So let's add the logic where at 100% health, it adds to the menu. So that would be add points. Explore points. Points. The points. Points. Play point sound. Here we go. Add user points. That's the function name I was looking for. So we got a current point. We add the object amount. Cool. Yes. Now let's add it inside the function so it can apply everywhere. So I want to basically just ignore this whole functionality if the user do I want, yeah, is this where this adds to the gauge? Clear point timeout, okay. Yeah, I think this is what I want. This will still play the sound. Okay. So let's stop it from the start. For health, don't add apply if at 100%. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do health equals type, right? And then we're going to return. Just kidding. It's health equals type and current. Shoot, I need the current amount to know for sure. We might have to do this outside because I need the current health amount. And I don't feel like adding that as a parameter. I guess this would apply for mana and stuff too, so maybe I should add it as a parameter, eh? Let's see. Current. Yeah, why not? Let's do that. So user points. Let's go. Yeah. And this would be current. Yeah. Whatever. Okay, cool. So what I'm saying is if current, if health, And current. Wait a second. How am I going to know it's 100%? Because it's going to change over time. We'll get more health, you know. What am I doing? Amount. Where's amount coming from? Data amount. Ooh. So even if they get a bigger health bar, it's still going to be a percentage value. That might kind of bite me in the ass later. I'm going to have to do like percentage calculations for more, whatever. I'm okay with that now. And current is greater than. It really shouldn't be. It should just be current is. Yeah. If 100 is, you know, less than or equal to current. I know sometimes it adds more than 100, but it shouldn't, but okay. We'll just return. So that means it won't give him mana or health if it's over 100. Alright. Cool. Yeah, that way I'm not posting a new amount with the extra addition. Okay, so if it's 100 or more. Okay. That'll twerk. Yeah. And then we need to add the logic. So right now it collects, but I don't want to collect it into the menu if the current is less than 100. So where's my new menu function? Oh, right here. Okay. So, pop. That means I'm going to need to get the current. Health is items, mana is items as well. Oh, I think the old man has finally decided he wants to go outside. One second. I was wrong. It was a different dog wanting to come in. Man, having 4 dogs. And they're all different sizes. It's just 4 different problems to deal with. Okay. So we got We're gonna need. How do I determine the current junk? Normally, current points, it's this, the points. Alright. Well, should I tie the run point animation to the menu functionality? Our points always attributed or not? Should I change the point animation to collection? No. Let's keep these separate for now. Yeah, because when I get into gear and stuff like that, I just feel like it's going to be different. Okay, so let's just do this. Yeah. My current problem is that position type. That's not a problem. I'm so stupid. That's not a problem. Because I already have type right up here. Alright. So position type is not menu type. Menu type. No, that's menu item. It's type. Cool. The point, data amount, current points. So, if 100 is less than or equal to current points, you know what I could do? I could make 100 a dynamic variable. That way, when they get more health bar or more mana bar, that, or if I want to make leveling up harder and harder, then I could just change 100 to a higher value. So like, again, that's a future Scott problem. Okay, so if it's that, then oh wait, no, I need the opposite. If 100 is greater than current points, then don't do this because it's gonna apply it, right? And if health equals type or mana equals type, correct. Yes, this is all logical logic. Then I want to return. Because I don't want to collect it. We'll leave it alone. Right? Yes. Correct. Okay. And we can easily test this out right now because I'll start with 100 points. Right? And 100 health. And we can... Oop. Oh, my daily NVM. It's only because if I close the terminal, it resets the version of Node I'm using to the default browser or default computer version. Okay. Okay, now that's another dog that wants in. Anyways, 2 dogs later, back to menu. So I'm trying to get the be right backs to be a lot quicker. Because it's a lot of dead air. And when you randomly get a new viewer jumping on, they drop pretty quickly when you go. Be right back. When you're not a super famous streamer and they're willing to wait 10 minutes for you. Okay. Yeah, this should all work. So let's go into here. Let's restart a new game. Now, what's supposed to happen, and will happen first try, is that I should be able to collect this right now. It should be exactly like what just happened. So this 4th slot should turn into a health piece. Collect. Correct. Shoot, I didn't pay attention. Was my health bar? Did it light up? Okay. We're good. See, look at it. It's still at 100. Normally, it would have applied the points, and it would have been 150 now. So, knowing that, let's try the opposite now. Again, anybody who hasn't heard this already, all the music playing in the background is stuff that I've recorded over the years. Some of it's available online, on YouTube, or Spotify, or, you know, all the other ones. Some of them are just available on YouTube, like the one you just heard, which is My Heart Will Go On cover. Metal cover. I've done a few metal covers. And I also have a Fiverr gig where you can hire me to sing or scream on your songs or whatever you want them for. Oh god. I still have not made my enemies any less difficult. That guy just bullies me out immediately. Let's see if I can beat him. Hold on. Get out of the way. No, stop. Oh god. Okay. I just want my health to go down. Stop. He's so rude. Wait, I want to get shot, but you're pushing me. Oh my god, this is the most stubborn pop stopper I've ever seen. Here, let's see if we can. Oh god, no, he's gonna push me out of the net. No. Okay, let me get shot, dude. Thank you. Health down. Help me. I want my health to go down. Whoa, can they do friendly fire? That would be awesome. I don't think it applies to him though. It applies to me, I think. Okay, my health is down. Alright. I'm leaving, dude. I'm leaving. Okay. This bouncer is so persistent. Okay. So now, the menu, let's go to the menu. Okay, so you see we're at 94% health. And the storage menu should still be empty. Retrieval points. Items. Cool. Empty. Like my soul. Let's go ahead and run into this. So now what should happen is I should just absorb the health because it's not at 100. And it should go away still, but it should not go into my storage menu. First try. Thank you. It was actually very easy logic, so I'm not surprised. Maybe a little surprised. Because usually my easy logic doesn't work either. Okay, cool. So good. That's done. None of that matters. This has to work and save to the database. So we need to create that REST route now that saves everything that we're doing. Saves everything we're doing to the database for storage. Because we already know that the health is going to be applied. I think. Right? So if I restart, this should be at 100. Yeah. That's at 100. Let's double check. that health actually is affected. Oh, what the hell is going on? Why am I? Where am I? No, where am I? Why am I in walls? How the hell did I get all the way up there? Go, 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 go. Oh man. Mobility's still kind of glitchy, guys. Yeah, he can go through walls. I can't go through walls. Dude, that's crazy. I really have to figure out how to put a lag on him. Alright. Wait, what? Wait, how the hell do I have 170? How do I have 171 health? What's going on? Hold on. God damn it. Where did that come from? 170 health. 171 health. Why? Well, so it definitely went... It got bigger. Why? Why are you at 171? What did I do? Let's start again. Obviously, it did apply, but it seems like it just applied server side or something. Hold on. So if I do this, health didn't go up, but if I restart now, will my health be up? Why? What did I do? Why the hell would jQuery be applied? I don't have jQuery. I know not why. Okay, whatever. No. Not new game. What the hell just happened? It seems like the alert does not stop you, even if you click cancel. That's disappointing. Another bug to fix at some point. Okay, that's fine. Let's leave the game. I believe my music has ran out. Okay, let's continue. What the hell? Why is it still acting like there's something there? I'm gonna move. It's still acting like something's there, and I run into it. That's weird. There's nothing there, though. There's nothing there. Let's see if that works. If I just go... Wait, what? What? Why? Why? Why are you back? Oh, is it not staying away because I'm not saving it? I mean, I'm putting it in the storage, but I'm not. Okay. That might have to be a function of the storage. Like I should check explore points that are in my storage and don't show them, as well as if... No, I could just keep a part of this in collect. Hold on. Yeah. See, it's just not working. Well, we know it's still at 100% though, my health. So it wasn't that. Oh god. Oh god. I know. Okay, go down, health. Go down health. Wait. Is it seeing? Alright, I'm at 97, whatever. I'm getting out of here, dude. I'm gonna kill you next time, dude. Okay. So now if I collect it for health, am I gonna go to 100 and stop? Oh, got it. I really need to put a limit on that. So let's just do that. So when I give myself health, it should really just stop at 100. I'm gonna mute myself real quick. Alright, so I want to set the amount to 100 if it's over 100. Right. That way it will never go over 100. Because it's a percentage. 100% is a percentage. Unless I change it. Then I'll have to go through all these and change all the hundreds to a variable that is set via based off the level or something like that. It can get really complicated, I'm sure. Let's start over and just make sure that worked. And the only way it'll work is if I go get hurt again and fight the pop socket. What the hell? That's weird. It started at the wrong spot. Another bug. Oh my god, stop. Okay, okay, I'm not 100 anymore. Let's go. I got my 100, my 99. At least I know how to keep people out of rooms. Just turn that guy on. Okay. So this should collect, and it should be 100. Ta-da! Cool, cool, cool. Alright. Now we're gonna have to work on the database part when I get right back. let's get the database stuff working now. First, let's create the REST route. Let's register it. So what do we need for this? We need, I guess, all the information from the span. So that would be type, ID, name. Type, ID, and name. Yeah. No. Yes. What kind of type is this? It's a menu type? No, because then I would just put storage type. This is what do they do? I'm definitely gonna need you. I wonder if I should return the description data when I collect the item, so it's just ready and you don't need to do a separate call for that when you click on it. No. Nah. Maybe. I'll have it. Yeah, let's do... No. Because I want... No. Because it's just going to be one window. I don't want to have, like, a window for each item. And then, like, shows and hides. Alright. Let's go back into it. Okay. So, where's the span? So, type is data type of the item. Oh. Type is... No, yeah, it's health. Menu type, not menu type. So it is the type. Okay. Okay. So I need the current user. So I'll need user. Position is the item name. So yes. Point type. Yeah, I think this would be a good one to copy, because I'll need a bunch of stuff. And this is a register route for for saving menu, storage menu, whatever, storage item. And this is add storage item. We use that. Position is item, name. This is ID. Yeah. So we got user, which is me, or the person. Name of the item, ID of the item, type of the item. Let's throw something else. Title is name, ID of the item, type of the item, me. That's it. And then we'll do save storage item. I'll jump into y'all. We'll still y'all. And we'll do add save storage item. Y'all. Call it the restaurant. That stores items. Storages items. I like being a little incoherent in my dot comments. Okay, point is ID. ID. Type is type. That's fine. Position is actually going to be. What did I change position to? Name. Name. ID, type, user, and name. So all of those are required. Otherwise, I do not want to make this work. So, what do? We need to get the current storage items. Right? Which will use that, and this will be explore storage? Is that what I called it? Let's check. That's exactly what I called it. Okay. I don't think I need that. Okay, so how are we saving this? So this is going to be like this. Which I do not need to put a default because it's already here. And so basically goes, we have the 3 menus and then an array of items, which I guess will be the ID with information in it, an array of that. Or is it just going to be an array of arrays with no key? How is it? How am I foring it? Yeah, it's just, yeah, okay. So it's just an array of arrays. Cool. Then let's make that happen. So I need to build, I already have that array. Maybe. If it exists. Which is basically what I'm doing here. False equals empty. And that is current storage items. Current. Yeah, it's going to be a little different though. Type is correct. And then, so I don't care about that, but I do care about name. I don't want to look at this. It's just going to confuse me. Storage. And that's going to be explore storage. So here's what I'm going to do. when an item comes in, I'm going to add it to the array. And I think what I'm going to do is, if it has the same name, just add, you know, iterate on that. Or should I add a count? I should add a count. That makes me feel like I want a key now, though. Like the name should have a key. Nah, because the name's going to be different for every item. Well, that's not true. If it's health, it'd be like health potion or syringe sequence or whatever I'm making health. What did I say I was going to make health? Like scotch or something, right? Coffee. Like if I do that though, right? Like I make different items give you health. Coffee, scotch. Band-Aid. Yeah. So I don't want to go by name. But if the name... So it's not about the name. It's about the type. It's about the type. Shit. I do need to pass the menu it goes into. No, I should have just the same mapping, right? Which my mapping's right here. Which then I should just probably make the mapping a util. Fine. We're not going dry right now. Alright. Menu map equals this motherfucker. Just kidding. Yeah. No. This self. This motherfucker. Get menu type based off of type. Right. And then we will do one of these things. Current storage items. We'll go into menu map. And push. It's already push. Doing that wrong. Array push. Yes. I did say I wanted to, like, if it's the same item, iterate and have multiples of the same. But now I'm thinking, meh. That just makes me think 4 is just not enough retrieval point spots. I should do like 12 each. Yeah. But that means I'm gonna have to fix the styling because it's just gonna be 12 all in the same row. That's fine. I'll fix that after this. Okay. So let's do that. We got menu map, array push. We'll put the new array in there, which is going to be name equals name. I guess ID can be first. ID equals ID. Name equals name. Wow. Boo-doo-doo-doo. Okay. That's it. Right? I don't think there's any more. Yeah. It's ID, name, and type. And that is a new item. We will add the new item here. Cool. And it'll add. Whoop. Sure, I'll listen to you, IDE. I feel like I did that one time and it didn't work out for me, but that's fine. Okay. So let's do that. My thing is... Oh, that was just tickling me. So my thing is... we need to put a cap on it. Because if it's already has 12 items, I don't want to add it. But do I handle that in client side or not? Feel like I'm fine handling that client side. Alright. Because that'll change over time. Map for menu item versus item type. Cool. Param is going to be string. Menu type. Other function. Get menu type. Menu type. Alright. And then let's do the menu drop held equals items mana equals items. Should we give a quick check to see how the string quality is? Oops, I'm way behind. Well, looking pretty fuzzy. Oh, that's what it's autoing. Let's do higher picture quality. Move my head. I think I see a cursor, so that's good. Yeah, YouTube just be really blurry. Let's see how Twitch looks. It's usually a lot better. Yeah, let's full screen it. Much better. I don't know. Twitch just has it. YouTube's so whiny. Cool. Well, if you want to watch me in better quality, go to Twitch, because YouTube is quite finicky. Oops, what did I do? Okay. Here's the map. Let's go ahead and return. Menu map. And menu type. Cool. There's your map. That's how you make a map. Okay. I think this is actually good. I think we're in a good spot. Only problem is current can be empty, so if that be the case, I need to determine that. Otherwise, empty. Yeah. False walls, empty. It's pretty simple just to do this. Well, current storage items. I mean, honestly, we can just do this then. I don't need to do that at all. We'll just put this as the if statement. Swamp. Else, we'll build it for the first time, right? It'll be what? Items, nothing, weapons, gear, right? And then we'll put so we can do this in that case. Just to simplify the logic, we'll do if true is empty or true or false. Equals is array with. Then do that. Right? Which in that case, I could do this. Look at me, coming full circle. Yeah, let's keep it this way. It's just easier to read this way. I like easy to read. And then that'll be that. No matter what. If that's empty, then we can just build this. And if it isn't empty, we can build this anyways. But we don't need to build it. Alright, I think this is looking pretty solid. All I have to do now is actually use it on the front. So let's get this right. Storage item. Add storage item. Save storage item. Might as well be consistent. Save storage item. levels go. So I was going to steal. I need to steal you. Where are you? Nope. Yeah. Let's steal you. And we'll go save storage item. And we need to pass save storage item. And that's going to be user. It's going to be name. Going to be type. Something like that. Username ID type. Name ID name type. Current user ID is a global, so we can leave it like that. We'll need to pass ID, name, and type. Many people have asked if I used a pitch shifter when I did that portion of My Heart Will Go On, where she hits that high, them high notes, the key change. I did not. Used head voice. You know, there's 3 types of singing. There's your normal voice, low, just normal, falsetto, la. You know, it's all breathy. And then there's head voice. And head voice is when you reach the top of your range, but you go beyond it. And what ends up happening is, I'm not an expert. I'm not a biologist. I don't know exactly, but I can tell you what it feels like when I'm doing the head voice. It feels like I'm just constraining my vocal cords to pass air through them, almost like a whistle, and create a higher pitch. It's not falsetto, where it's you know coming out of your nose. I don't know, just like very breathy and weak. But it's not your full voice that that's your vocal cords are being used at full force. It's like I said, it's like whistling, where I'm creating a sound beyond the pitch that I can hit with my normal voice. And it's hard to describe, I guess, since I don't really know what it is, but that's what I use. Something I've found later in life that I could do unconsciously, just to try to hit the higher notes, because my range is pretty high and pretty low. I've got a very wide range, as you can hear, and like, this is me singing. Like, it doesn't sound like my talking voice, right? My singing range is much higher than my talking range. And I've gotten lower over the years, but my range has stayed just as high. So yeah, I sound like a different person when I'm singing to when I'm talking. But yeah, so not a pitch shifter. It's something that many singers can do. And when you think that they just have this ungodly range, it's a style of singing, and it's what all the 80s rockers were doing. I mean, it's the Steve Perrys, other singers. Sebastian Bach, right? I'm trying to think. Other singers. Singer of Def Leppard. I'm not good at the name game. But yeah. So, it's not a... I'm just saying it's not very impressive just because I can hit those notes. I wouldn't say it's cheating. It does take a type of skill to hit the head voice notes like that. And I can only go so high. I mean, it's not unlimited. Some people can go much higher than I can. But yeah, I'd say though, you know, that pitch change is pretty close to the top of my head voice range. And it's not very extensive, you know, because once I start going a little lower in pitch, then I go into my normal voice, because my normal voice can go pretty high. It's just that like extra oomph high notes. ID name type, okay. Oof. Just got a text from my mom. Apparently there was some major winds in Santa Ana. The Santa Ana winds came. Hit them with 75-mile-an-hour winds. Jesus. Launched their spa cover into the deck railing and broke it. Oh man, that sucks. They lost power too. But it gave her a chance to read my book. I think she's read it before, like older versions of it. But I know she hadn't like read the newest version. Oh, I'm glad she likes it. So this is all set. I just need to try it. Oh no, I need to use it. Okay, so where is this going to be used? I need to use this when they collect the item. Doesn't return, it collects. So let's go to the storage area. And here we go. Store explore items. Oh man. Holy crap. Destroyed my parents' deck. Knocked the railing off. Holy crap. That's crazy. And my childhood house, it was the house that got hit. I mean, we lived on a mountain, you know, and it's so that deck is pretty high up. It's very dangerous. Okay, but my dad's got it under control. Attributes. Yeah, so basically this is what I want to do. I want it to be only when this happens. So we're gonna put it here. And we're gonna pass ID, name, and type. Look at that. Add item to database. This is it. This is first try adding item to database, and then when I refresh the page, it's in the menu, and it is going to be in the wrong order. Shoot, hold on. I already know that for a fact, because right now, yeah, I'm getting the storage, and if it exists, it's just going to show the array, and it's going to have yeah. How do I do that? I really screwed myself by making the items themselves be the boxes, didn't I? I guess I should fix that. Like storage limit doesn't exist. Okay, good, yeah. So it's 12. No, I didn't screw myself. Storage limit is good to go. Right? How come this works actually? It's going for 12. And then, but this won't exist. Storage items. What is storage items? Oh. Storage items is storage, which is this. Storage type. Storage items is an empty array. But I'm... Oh. Okay, so yeah, if it doesn't exist. Okay, cool. This should actually work. Because it will, but like I said, it's going to be in the wrong order. Like I'm going to collect it at the bottom and it's going to show up at the top when you refresh. So I'd rather collect at the top, obviously, so I'll fix that. Okay, let's try this out. This should work. We'll start new. Let's save this off, because that should work. Whoa, I've got a lot of console errors. What the hell's going on? Why is coordinates not working? What's up, coordinates? Why are you going 500 on me, buddy? Internal server error. Oh, did I break something? Do I have an error somewhere? Oh, maybe. I don't think so. This looks good, I think. Yes. That looks good. The save item not look good? Save storage item. Missing function type. F you, bro. This ain't TypeScript. Alright. Yes, okay. Else. Whatever. I don't want to do that right now. Okay. Yeah, I don't see where the internal server error would be happening, but let's just reset for now. Oh, what's this one? Coordinates. Man, that's weird. I do have a bug where if you're not moving, stop sending coordinates. You know what I mean? If it's the same coordinates as last time, just... That might be really easy to fix. I kind of want to fix that right now. Hold on. Coordinates. How would I know what the current coordinates are, though? Dupe. Then maybe it's not so easy. Well, I could just set it at the beginning, you know? Like where's left and right? What? Where am I setting left and right from? What am I doing? Oh, it's right here. Yeah. So this box left, this is user left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to if user left equals current user left, which is going to be window current user left, because I'm super cool, and user top equals window current user top. Then let's, yeah, I kind of did that backwards. If this is not that and this does not equal that, then you can go ahead and move forward with it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send window.current user left equals user left. Window current user top equals user top. Alright. Make sense? Makes sense. I think. No, that won't work because the if statement needs to be inside the interval. Yeah, there you go. That makes it less odds. But I don't think I need to set it as a window inside the interval then. Like I just make a user left. That's fine though. Don't worry, it's your time. And no one's going to miss you. It's fine, it's just the end. It's fine, it's just the end. Oh yeah, I gotta set that. I guess. Yeah, let's do that. Ah, you bitch. Sometimes I copy when I want to paste. Alright. That should do it. Right? Yeah. Sorry for the detour. But, yeah, this really bugs me that it's constantly running. So let's actually make sure that works, and then I'll test the menu out. Alright, so continue. Well, saving sound doesn't work. There we go. Okay. Coordinate got set. Will it set again? That's the question. I think it worked. It's not going over and over because I'm not moving. Now if I move, and I wait. I'm stupid. because my position is different and it's not in the interval. You know me, man. Always fucking up the intervals. Alright. But the logic is sound. Let's continue. Try again. Ah, you bitch. Why isn't the setting saving? I hate that. Save, you bitch. It's working. It's saving. The fucking payload's perfect. Bop bop 0 bop. It does not save. I hate it. Okay. So that worked. So now if I move, it should trigger coordinates again. I think it's safe to assume compiling didn't work. You bitch. I hate you. Coordinates. Yes. No. It's still not working. Why? 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 I'm definitely changing the coordinates. So it should go again. Oh, fuck. God damn it. It's only because I moved left only. Wait. If this... Oh. Fudge you. Or... I just realized my pipes are working. And... I don't know. I don't know why. I didn't do anything. Maybe it's just restarting my computer. But I can do OR statements again. Thank Jeebus. But look at it, see? It's perfect. Let's try again. No. So, first coordinates. Good. And now let's move both ways. Coordinates. Good. We'll wait. Good. Now let's just move left. Thank you. Now, I can change the interval actually to be quicker, because 10 seconds is a long time to wait, and I often am leaving the game before it saves and I end up being saved at a different point. So let's just make it 1 second. Now that I have this, you know, and it won't just keep buttoning it up. Alright, let's try the menu out. So what's the menu gonna do? Collect. So now I'm gonna collect this. Collect what? Where did it go? Oh, I guess I haven't started a new game. New game. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Reload. FU settings. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. That you're not saving. Oh yeah. I think I figured out why it's not saving before. It has to be 1 second. Cannot save a 0. I think it's seeing 0 as a false, which is stupid, but common. Okay, so now, oh shit. I mean, it's working. It's just now when I move constantly, it's saving every second. I could put a set timeout. It waits for you to stop. You know what? I don't know if I'm mad at that. I know sometimes you can like walk really far, but I also like that it saves exactly where you are. I don't know. Okay. Let's try this out. So when I hit him, it's going to trigger the new rest route, and it's going to save that item in the database. So when I refresh, it will show up in here. I mean, it will still be in the storage bin. It will still be in here. Here specifically. Oh yeah, shit. I made 12. Okay? Okay. Here we go. Okay. It's here. Doop doopa doopa. I got a console error. Boom. It did not like that. Why? Let's see. Open my review. Save storage item 11320. Oh, it's got the post ID. It's got my ID. It's got the name, and it's got the type. What's the big fucking deal, bitch? The restaurant was found. Well, we know that's a lie. Unless I screwed up the naming, which is possible. This is perfect. This is fine. REST API. The only problem could be that save storage item. Let's verify I did that correctly. Save storage item. Save storage item. This is type. This is ID. This is name, and this is user. Okay. Those look good. It is registered in the right namespace. Everything's good. Then let's get in here. The only thing that could be is that there's an error in the function. So we got user, ID, name, type. Cool. Sure. Got menu type. There's that right here. Not a big deal. It is items, right? Pretty sure. Yeah, it's the same as everything else. Yeah. Nothing crazy. Looks good. REST API is there. This is fine. Alright. What's the big fucking deal, bitch? I think everything's fine. Well, let's double check the payload, which is in the URL. So yeah, 404. Okay. So it's definitely not seeing the register rest route. God, I feel like this happens every time I make a new goddamn route. Why are you not seeing the function? User. ID type name. Send a return. Dum 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 dum. Is it this? No. Yeah, it's int vol, so this is good. Explore storage. That won't exist. So that's fine. It's empty, so I'll create this. And I'll do that. Now let's check the database. See if something weird happened. This is user meta. This is probably the newest one. Explore settings. Look at this. Music 1 now works because 1. It doesn't like 0. Okay, well, so it didn't save. So but everything's returning properly. Save storage item. I mean, I really don't see a problem with this. Unless this function messed up. Let's just do this and not have any functionality in it. And we'll refresh. Save storage item, blah, blah, blah. Nope, still not finding it. Like. Save storage item. Am I spelling something wrong? No. It looks fine. It doesn't care about this. Let's try this. Var dump. Hey. Exit. Double check. It's not the function still. Womp. Womp. Alright. Nope. It cares not. Nothing to do with the functionality. Has everything to do with the register rest route. Save. Storage. Item. Blah, 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 blah. Bleh. Oh, I think I have these inverted. My bad. Yeah, I think I have these inverted. It's user, I think. User ID name type. Yeah, I did. Is that the reason this is broken? Maybe. Sure was wrong. What would you rather listen to? More music or the game music looping over and over? Yeah, you're right. I agree with you. I mean, I like the looping music. I lose myself in that loop. Just like, I forget it's happening. It's like white noise now. Okay. Boom. That was the problem. Womp, 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 womp. Okay. So now, when I refresh again, it should be in this menu. Yep, because it's there. But it should be at the top. Okay, let's try this again. Leave. No. It does not appear to be there. Okay, let's find out why. First off, let's see if it's saved here. Yep. Isa bueno. We got array 3. Yeah, we got array 1. First array has ID, name, type. Perfecto. Let's see the rest of them just to make sure it's saved correctly. How do I edit this shit? Oh my god, stop. 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 Why is everything selected? Okay, let's try it again. Pop. Edit. No. That's not what I wanted. How do I edit your... I see a little silhouette. Oh, here it is. 3 items. Health. No. Weapons. Gear. Yeah. Cool, cool, cool. That's good. Database looks great. It's exactly what I was expecting. But I was expecting this to have an item in it. So we'll check it's not in any of these other menus. It's not. Alright. Let's figure it out. Let's check out what we got in storage. Wow. That's weird. What about Orbem? I don't know where my dump is. Oh, here it is. Okay, we got items. Array 3. Dot 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 dot. Okay. Good. Perfect. Perfect. So it's definitely not false. Yep, so I'm getting it. Okay. So now storage. Storage item. Shoot. And it seems like the menu is being created, because all 3 of them are there. Looks like the 12 is still working. The only problem is I'm not getting my item. So let's check the logic. Type's good. Yep, default items on first. Excuse my crackling. Interesting, so it's saving it as an array. That's not interesting. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. It's an array of arrays. So technically, this is all the storage items. Yeah. Oh, but I'm using X. Yeah, this is all the storage items. Pop. No, this is right. This is right. Empty equals false. Yeah, no, this is definitely right. So let's go inside the for loop now and see what we got. Unidentified keys. Well, that would do it. Oh, because it starts at 1. Stupid ass dick. Starts at 1. So instead of that, we do a 0. Yeah. Now it should be at the front. Ta-da. Look at that. We have our item. Let's start over and just make sure it works perfectly from start to finish and not just because whatever I've been doing to test. So we're going to start a new game. We are going to do that, and we're going to check real quick the menu. That did not start a new game. Let's try again. Oh, this is not part of the delete function, is it? Meh. There we go. We also, I'm not going to delete settings actually. Settings should be persistent. Let's try again. There we go. So now it's gone. Okay. So we will add the item. Okay, showed up at the bottom, and now it should be moved to the top. Yep, there it is. Alright, so now we need to make sure it doesn't start at the bottom. So let's do storage again. Let's find that function. Yeah, right. And this is what's happening. Add menu attributes, add storage item. This is adding to the database. Okay, so instead of append, I need to do prepend. Now, prepend doesn't exist? No. No. Let's just see if this works randomly. Because I don't think it does. I think prepend doesn't work in vanilla JavaScript. I think you have to do like get the contents and then add the node inside of it at the front. Whoops. You have lost all of your items. Let's get one back. Oh shit, okay, well prepend works. Yeah, I kind of remember like it didn't used to work and they added the functionality maybe. Okay, cool. Now it works just like the database change. And if you go through it and refresh, it's still there. Bingo bongo, let's try. I'd like to see if 2 items work. So let's create a new item real quick. We'll call it we'll do a mana one this time. We'll do a mana test. We will add it as value type mana. We'll add it to the Foresight lobby, which I think I said in another stream. I'm going to not do the beginning of the book in the game. I'm going to make that a scene setup where, you know, it walks you through how we got to Orbem. But like the CO office, Foresight, Thyris. Thyris would be cool, right? To have a giant facility where you can walk around and see other people do science and stuff like that, but he still doesn't have transportation ability yet. You know, that's where he has to meet his. Oh man. It might be cool to use that just for like walking and like tutorial mechanics. And then that's where he can meet John, Jeannie, and Iona. Fudge. I might do Thyris. I might just go past, like do a theatrical beginning for the Foresight and see where he loses his job and stuff and gets sent to Thyris. So maybe I will do Thyris. Like even if it's just like a walk around. Yeah, like not major not like major puzzles, but maybe just to introduce a few of the mechanics, like breaking stuff, collecting stuff. Yeah, it just sucks because that means just for one scene, I have to like create a brand new outfit for him. Yeah, whatever. Okay, let's get this going. So, up. Good. I do not know what position I want to put it in, so I'm going to steal it from another point. Tester, what you got? Here, 2. So we'll go right under him. We'll keep the same left, but we'll make it like 2700. Yeah, basically a square. And then heights, 100, 100. And then did I do value and stuff? Yeah. Yeah, value's 80, and he's a collectible. Okay. Value 50. Collectible, let's set a feature image to another random item. Let's collect a bag. Cool. Alright, published. So now I should be able to collect a mana item. It should show up right in front of this one. Eventually I will do a drag and drop feature, but okay, continue. What just happened? What did I collect? Same thing. Wait, what? I collected tester again. Why? Not a big fan. Oh, yeah, I still haven't fixed it where it goes away. But it is weird that it didn't just double up. Let's come back. Let's see what we got here. Where's my storage menu? Here it is. Storage, 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 storage. Okay, yeah, see, that's no bueno. I definitely need to not allow it to have the same name. Let's see what we got here. Storage item. Okay, so only add this if the new item is not the same. Oh no. I said I wanted to allow the same item to be collected. So I think what I'm gonna do is check. Check the items. And if name, if name equals item name, then I want to take the new item, add account, no, then I want to take current storage items, menu map, index, right, index, name, no, index, and then what I want to do is add count. 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 How am I going to count the items though? I need to go through and count how many to count. Oh, yeah. Count plus 1. Count equals item count 1. Count plus 1. Right? Yeah. So that will not add the item. Like, new item will not be added. Right? New item. Right. No, wait. If it does exist, do that. If name equals name. Yeah, if has dupe equals true, we'll do has dupe equals false. If false equals has dupe, then we'll do that. Otherwise, we'll just let that be that. And we'll just increment the count. Sounds good to me. Sounds like a lot of room for error. So let's start fresh. Okay. Let's go to storage contents, storage form, storage retrieval point, items. We are free. Let's go collect the first item, which is this. Ready? Bonk. Now we have a mana item. It's in there. It's called mana test. Okay, now let's add a second item. Alrighty, we got 2 items now. Fantastico, look at 2 items, 2 items. Okay, piece to resistance, let's move out of the way. Let's leave the game and come back. And the items are perfectly there. Look at that. Only one's there. Shit. That's weird. Why did mana not save? Why did mana not save, but tester did? That's interesting. What went wrong? I wonder. What's the database have to say about that? Database says 1. Dude. It's weird. Why would it say 1? Let's see. What did I screw up here? Pop, 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 pop. If it's empty, create that. And then we're going to loop through the items. If name equals name, then we do this crap and say has dupe. If not, false dupe, then we just add it to the item. See, I think I went through this before, and I ended up having to do array push, and it worked. Even though the IDE is trying to talk shit. So I'm just gonna not listen. Let's start fresh again, actually. Okay, we got nothing. Let's add the first item. It's in. Database liked it. No. 400, 500. Add a second one. Health. Good to go. It is in here perfectly. Now let's see if it worked. And save to the database properly. And it did not. What the fuck? False equals dupe. Is that what's screwing it up? Well, that's weird though. It added the health one only, even though that was the second one I collected. Oh, but that was the second one I collected. I wonder if mana would work if it was the second one. That'll actually tell us a lot, so let me do that. That means it's just adding the, you know, to the first one on the list. So if we go, I'm gonna do this one first. Okay, and then we do this one second. And then we leave. Manifest. Yeah. So it's just replacing, it's not adding to the array. Fucking shit. Why is that? It's definitely not going through any of this logic, so that's good. But this push is not pushing right. Because new item is an array. I want to add it to this array. What was there any issues with this before? Was it? It was maybe the points. No, it was the explore point array. So this is get explore points, but I want, where's the thing that saved points? Save coordinates, save settings? No. How am I saving that explore? Oh, add character point. Yeah, I guess that's it. So what am I doing here? I'm going da da da. Oh, I am doing that shit. I am doing that. Shoot. Okay, well, I guess that is the right way to do it. Touche, IDE. Touche. But I think we can all say that it was not working before, so why this would work now, I don't know. My only guess is that this is being reset. So it's just adding to an empty array. It's not taking the current. So wait, if true equals empty or false is array, Very possible this is not working correctly. Let's just keep it dead. Now let's try. That empty's true. That's not true. Hold your horses. That empty true. No. False is empty. Wait, what the f— oh yeah. False is empty. So it's not empty. Then that empty is false. Not true. Otherwise it's true. Just double check that now. No. I think I gotta go string on this. Yeah, there you go. Okay, let's continue. Let's add the items now. And I think we're good. Cool. That empty fall. Mana. Health. 2 items are in there. Now let's get out of the way. And let's leave the game and see if it's there. And it's not. Fuck you. Why are you not saving both? Still guessing it's this. So that means that this is showing as empty for some reason. Even— oh no, it is empty. Which is fine the first time, but the second time it should not be empty. It's fine the first time, but not the second time. Oh wait, hold on. What the hell? Oh. If it's empty, it just goes here. Shoot. This is wrong. This is wrong. Because if it's empty, do this and then add the new item. So this needs to be added. If this is false. But this can still be down here. Stop copying when you're trying to paste. Yeah. This seems more right. Yeah. I'm gonna say this is right. So let's just do this. Since it's already in the database, so let's just grab the other one. Tester's already there. Let's grab this. In fact, let's test out the count. Well, it Didn't add it again. Oh yeah, I did. Tester. Just in different order of data. Alright, let's try this again. I'll have to fix that on the front end. Shit. Get us out of here. Okay, now let's try it again. Oh, look at that, we got 2. It didn't matter how many times we added. Boom. Alright, good. And my guess is there's going to be a count because I grabbed a couple. So let's see. Edit. So we got name, tester, type. Oh, look at that count. 3. Boom. Fucking beautiful. So now I could display a 3 if it has the same item multiple times. Only thing I gotta do is fix the JavaScript portion, the front end, because it doesn't know the count logic yet. Everybody, I am going to continue to sleep at a bad hour, but not a horrible hour, so it's about 1:05 here now. I think I got done what I wanted to accomplish. We're able to save items to the menu and have them persist even on refresh, and you know, everything's saving properly. So tomorrow I'll probably work on the fix the JavaScript portion so it doesn't triple up on items when you collect them. But then I want to do the item description menu that'll show up on the side. So like here, I already have a slot for it right here, item description. So this is going to get filled with that post content from the explore post, like this whole stuff. So that will be for tomorrow, and then hopefully I can get that working, and then maybe even use. So like we'll collect the health item, and then I'll be able to click on it. The item description will show up. It'll give you an option to use or equipped or whatever it is, but in this case we'll have use. And then you click the button, it'll give myself health or mana or whatever we collect. I think that'll be great. Now that'll take us a lot of the way, because I just need to add weapons and items and stuff, or in weapons and gear. But they should have the same exact functionality, because I want to test those next. I want to be able to save to the other menus and then actually test, because you can see the tabs here are actually working. So I want to actually show the different menu items showing, and then that will handle our retrieval points. Now we can move on. I added some new items. You know, we have to make actual items work. A gear, like equip gear, and like put it on the person. And weapons as well. I want to try to, we have the shoot fist functionality, but I want to be able to try equipping another weapon. Like in the book, he starts out with a katana before he loses his arm, and then he uses like a rusty sword when he first gets to Orbem, and then he upgrades when he loses his arm to really good Caneth iron blade. So I'll be able to show progression in items, which will be cool. And eventually, macros will be their own thing. And magic. Now I need to create minigames, boss battles, and yeah, we got a lot to do. But enjoy the ride with me. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next stream. Thanks, everyone.